Hi, welcome to Beauty Strategy, my brand new YouTube channel. This is my very first video. Since it's my first video, I thought I'd dress up for you. Most of my videos I'll probably be rolling out of bed or naked face because I want to show you beauty in real life. My desire is to share with you the professional techniques that I learned under formal training at a makeup academy and also what I've learned along the way as a working makeup artist for the last 10 years. Even though I am a makeup artist, day to day I'm pretty low maintenance, so I definitely want to make beauty more accessible to you. You know, truth be told, I feel like I'm really good at putting makeup on other people, but I have not really done it on myself. I'm eager to relearn makeup and discover new things with you alongside me. In my videos, you'll see me do full makeovers on myself, as well as friends and family and clients, as well as mini makeovers. If you just have 5 minutes to get out the door, what can you do for yourself? In my videos, you'll be visited by some of my friends as well, and my dog Joey. I work full-time at a corporate job, and I manage a makeup business on the side, so this is my passion project. So let's make it great together. So let's make this great together. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe below and share with your friends, and I'm really looking forward to going on this journey with you. Look over there.